Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
How's it going, everyone? It's Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx. Here's the deal. I was in the middle of editing this video together, realized I didn't have an introduction filmed, so I'm doing that here now. I'm going to be brief. This is a Suzuki GSXR 750. It's a good customer of ours. Him and his buddies come to us for service work. They are a group of rowdy sport bike guys. They like to have a good time. They like burnouts. We like burnouts. He came in for a rear tire, said to us about burning his old one off. We said absolutely. So one of his buddies hopped on the bike, pulled it around back, did a burnout for us. So that's for you guys to enjoy here. But at any rate, if you can, hit that like button, leave us a comment, and in the comments, do us this favor. Rate this burnout on a scale of 1 to 37. Let us know what you think of it. It got a little squirrely on the start, but he ended up pulling it together and giving us a good little smoke show at the end. But at any rate, if you can, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorwerx. You never know what you'll see on our channel as far as power sports go. Scooters, Harleys, V-twins, baggers, sport bikes. Doesn't matter. You might even have a GSXR 750 burnout video pop up then. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. And as always, enjoy the video and then have a great rest of your day.